we are proud to present the SILIGUN, the most compact, convenient, and lightweight caulking gun you'll ever use. It's time to replace your old-fashioned caulking gun and start working with the compact SILIGUN. Only 4 inches. SILIGUN's innovative and unique patent allows it to perform any job, even in extremely narrow spaces and challenging angles to maneuver in. At the end of the day, the compact SILIGUN also fits easily into any toolbox. After a short use and dispensing of material, the SILIGUN can be made even smaller by shortening the tube. Just use a knife to cut the remaining empty back of the tube. To start working, open the tube. Press the clutch, insert the tube into the gun, and pull the handle. The SILIGUN is ready to use. The SILIGUN device has a powerful push ratio of 12:1 and a unique dripless mechanism that prevents excess dripping. As soon as you stop pulling the handle, the material stops coming out. Once you're done, press the clutch, push the tube forward, and pull it out. To continue working after the tip of the tube has been clogged with dry material, simply use the puncture pin attached to the SILIGUN. Take it out here and place it back after use. Order the innovative SILIGUN today. SILIGUN, a small device, a huge innovation.
Tear it up and tear it out with the Von Rage Demolition Multi-Tool. Drywall, studs, tile, plaster. The Von Rage quickly dispatches whatever stands between you and a finished job. You'll save time and money too. The Rage replaces multiple tools, including a nail hammer, sledge, pry bar, and nail puller. In fact, the Rage offers 7 different functions, all in one brutally effective tool. Hold the Rage and feel the balance and heft. At just 2.5 pounds, the Rage features strategic weight placement to multiply impact force at the point of contact. Translation: with each swing, you'll generate maximum results with minimum effort. And the Rage is built to take whatever you throw at it. The heavy-duty I-beam frame is forged from high-carbon steel, heat-treated for maximum strength and stiffness. The dual-density handle features a patented shape for maximum comfort, grip, and control, so you can put the hurt on everything but you. Whatever stands between you and finishing the job won't stand up to the Rage. The Von Rage. Tear it up, tear it out.
kinds of Yuetian double-head sheet cutter, which are YT160A, YT160B, YT160AL, YT160C, and YTQD150A. YT160A is the best of the best, with unique convenience and durability compared with the rest. An excellent cutting speed with maximum speed 2 meters per minute, 3000 RPM, and cutting head rotating in 360 dehandling time. It can incising with various shapes by fastening it on General Electric drill, pneumatic power tools, or drilling machine, while cutting will be more precise after mounting straight attachment and circular attachment. When YT160A is under operation, the user shall fasten the sheet where ready to be cut on workbench with 15 cm gap on inside sheet. Cutting have to be done after dynamo had under operation. If the cutting part on blade has to be separated, it shall be separated when drill is still under operation. When cutting blade guide has been worn out, the user can slowly loosen screw by hex wrench and take down the cutting blade guide and then change a new one. When cutter blade has been worn out, the user can follow the following steps in order to change a new one. Step 1. The user shall take out clip clutch and protecting cover and loosen set screws on cutting blade guide, and then bring down one cutting blade guide. Step 2. The user shall unscrew M81 nut by wrench and loosen M81 bolt, and then take out the worn cutting blade. Step 3. The user shall plug the new cutter blade in sliding bar of main engine, by which the location hole of cutter blade center will align with sliding block thread hole center, and then screw down nut and bolt. Step 4. After the cutting blade guide has been installed, the user shall tighten set screw and then install protecting cover and clip clutch.